Softaken ALLTOPDF. Are you tired of converting files one by one into PDFs? Meet Softaken ALLTOPDF, a powerful and user-friendly desktop application designed to convert almost any file format into high-quality PDF documents quickly and effortlessly. What is ALLTOPDF? Softaken ALLTOPDF is an all-in-one PDF conversion tool. Whether you're working with documents, images, spreadsheets, or web files, ALLTOPDF delivers professional-quality PDFs with just a few clicks. Key features: document conversion. Convert popular document formats like PDF to PDF with custom settings. Word files, docx, doc. Text files, txt. Rich text, rtf. Markdown, md. Image to PDF conversion. Easily convert images including JPEG, PNG, BMP, TIFF, GIF, HEIC, iPhone images, SVG vector graphics. ALLTOP ensures proper sizing, scaling, and layout every time. Spreadsheet conversion. Turn your spreadsheets into PDFs. Excel files, XLSX, XLS. CSV files. Formatting is preserved, and multi-sheet support is included. Web and data file support. Convert advanced file types like HTML, HTM, MHT, JSON, XML. Get clean, well-formatted PDF output instantly. How to use ALLTOPDF. Step 1. Launch the application. Double-click ALLTOPDF.exe or run it from the command line. The app opens with a simple and clean interface. Step 2. Add files. Click Add Files to select individual files or Add Folder to import all supported files from a folder. Step 3. Select files. Choose specific files or select all. Selected files will show a checkmark. Step 4. Configure output. Choose your output folder and open settings to customize conversion options. Step 5. Start conversion. Click Start Conversion and track progress in real time. Step 6. Access PDFs. Once completed, open your selected output folder to view your converted PDF files. Advanced settings. ALLTOPDF offers powerful customization options, output type and multi-page handling, PDF quality and page size, file name patterns and override options, image quality, compression, margins, auto-rotate pages, and memory control. With Softaken ALLTOPDF, converting files to PDF has never been easier. Fast, reliable, and packed with features. It's the perfect solution for professionals and everyday users. Download Softaken ALLTOPDF today and simplify your PDF workflow.